Hey, it is me, the CEO's publicist, coming to you once again with another episode of Kali TV. It has been a while since I recorded these videos. I got very caught up with planning the strategic power planning party. If you've not heard of it, please jump onto my social media. It is the event that every single business owner and entrepreneur needs to attend. You want to see your business grow in 2023. We're going to do power strategy, making sure that you have an effective strategy planned out for all your events and all your launches for 2023. We're going to have power planning where we're going to map out dates and events. You'll even get a copy of my 2023 publicity calendar to help you map out those dates. And then, of course, you have Power Party on the third day where I'm going to bring to you all the different things. I'm going to let you into my community and give you all the tools that you need to really ensure that 2023 is the best yet. We're going to talk about finances. We're going to talk about focus and clarity. We're going to talk about fashion and style. We're going to talk about networking. We're going to talk about all of that. So I am going to put the link for that in the description box below, or you can check me on my social media where you get all the information on the power planning party. But on today's episode of Kali TV, I'm going to talk about, we're in Q4. We're in the busiest season of the year. This is where everybody decides that they want to show up. This is where everyone decides that they want to advertise. And it can get a little overly saturated if you're not careful. So I want to talk about the 4 things that you can do to ensure that you stand out this season while you are promoting your business, while you're putting things out there. So the first thing I want to talk about is using different forms of advertising. Too often we keep, we hold social media so near and dear to us. It's like, if I just put this post on social media, everybody's going to see it. I'm so sorry. It's not going to happen like that. People are bombarded with messages left, right, and center. And this time of year, it's kind of ridiculous. So you have to use different types of advertising to ensure that they see. And you can use that type of advertising based on your budget and based on your audience. So that could look like press, radio, flyers, anything that you can do outside of social media to help promote your business. Because remember, people need to see your stuff multiple times before they are driven to purchase. Very important marketing hack. Make sure your branding is on point. So everything has to kind of look the same. So even though there are different touch points, they all kind of look the same. So in the mind of the consumer, it's like, yeah, they're seeing this thing over and over so that they can easily recognize you in the crowd. The next thing is to meet people face to face. And that could look like through sampling and demonstrations. That could look like showing up wherever they are. So right now, people are frequenting the malls. They're frequenting supermarkets and grocery stores because they're stocking up, right? This is a hectic time. So get in front of them where you can. And not only do they see and hear you, you can answer questions. If they have any concerns, any issues, you can show them how your product can be used, right? Or how your service is best used. Like, once you meet people where they are and have those face-to-face conversations, it really does work magic for your sale. So that's number 2. Number 3, move people into action. People love to be moved into action, especially if there is a reward at the end of it. So think about your customers, think about your consumers. What gift or token of appreciation can you give them? Is there like a simple competition that you could do? If a person buys your product, they can enter to win once they make a purchase. If somebody you can collaborate with to give this gift, like, it not only really builds brand awareness, but people will just be moved into action once you promise them something at the end. So is there something that you could do that people can enter to win just from, if not even purchasing from you, although that would be ideal, but at least liking, commenting, sharing, talking about your product, doing a video about your product, anything along those lines. And last but not least, find a way to give back. No one can deny that this time of the year, people feel compelled to give. So can you find a charity or a foundation that is aligned with your business, that is near and dear to the heart and soul of your consumer, right? Can you make a donation? Can you volunteer? Like, what can you do? Or can you tell people, and this kind of links back to number 3, can you tell people for every purchase that they make, from your company, you will donate a percentage or a certain amount to the charity of choice, because then they will feel like they're giving back as well. So yeah, this time of the year could definitely be extremely hectic, but these are the 4 ways to guarantee that you stand out. And if you want even more information, guys, you know where to find me. If you have any other questions, click the link, ask me anything, and I will answer them right here on Cardi TV. And don't forget the Strategic Power Planning Party. We will be deep diving into these types of content and additional information just like this to help you succeed in 2023. Yeah. So I will talk to you very, very soon. And thanks so much for watching.